Hey guys, it's Nate with Skid Steer Solutions, and today we're doing an overview on the VTN Rotating Screening Bucket. This is an awesome attachment for a wide range of operators, so make sure you stick around to see how much easier it's going to make your next job. One of the really great things about the VTN Rotating Screening Bucket is you can use it in a very wide range of applications. So we've heard of people using it on job sites for cleanup, landscaping, sometimes on the job or back at the facility. But honestly, I'd be very curious to see what you guys would use it for, or if you have a perfect application for this screening bucket as well. Go ahead and drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. So with anything, time is money, right? So at the end of the day, you're looking for an attachment that can help save you time and on the other hand, save you money. And that's one of the great things that VTN does with this attachment. Not only is it a very well-built, heavy-duty attachment, so you're not going to spend a lot of time with maintenance and downtime, but it actually brings the sifting to your job site. So you don't have to worry about trucking dirt in and out of the job site or renting an expensive sifter machine. You simply already have your bucket on your skid steer, go scoop the pile of dirt right there, sift it directly in place, and away you go. Get that debris out of there, and you leave a nice fluffy pile of dirt at the end. All right, so next question we generally get is, how do you use this? So it's pretty actually simple. It's a very simple attachment. You're gonna simply hook it up to your skid steer, both on the plate, and then hook up your hydraulics. Get into your skid steer. Usually the best way is if you drive up to your pile of dirt, you can go ahead and use your cutting edge here to scoop into that pile of dirt, tilt it back. All the debris is gonna fall back into your basket or your bucket here. Then simply turn your hydraulics on inside the machine. That's gonna rotate the basket and allow the material to fall through that's small enough. And any of the bigger material that you want to get rid of, some rocks, maybe debris, anything like that, is going to stay inside your basket here, allowing you to then go dump it wherever you want. Maybe that's the back of a truck, so you can take it to the dump, or maybe another pile somewhere that you're going to be getting rid of later. One of the big things whenever you're looking at attachment that's going to be going in and out of the dirt is you're going to have a lot of wear and tear on that attachment, whether it be a bucket, an auger, whatever it may be. You're coming in contact with dirt, sand, rock, and that's going to slowly wear away at the attachment. So that's one of the things when we worked with VTN to develop the skid steer screening bucket here, we wanted to make sure it was built with the highest quality in mind. So they use hard ox, which is great because it's going to be resistant to some of that abrasion that you're going to see in the dirt. And they also use overbuilt parts. So one of the things that's really great about this product was originally it was designed to be used with excavators, heavy excavators. So when we worked with VTN, we were able to set it up designed specifically now for skid steers, other track loaders that use the universal quick attach. That way you're still getting that same structural build that you'd see with most big excavators, but in a much smaller package built and designed specifically for skid steers. And that's one of the things that's great about the SRF 05. That's this model right here. That's the model you'll see on the website as well. Is they're very heavy duty built, commercial grade attachments, but designed for everyday use. One of the other things to note is how we use a bi-directional motor on this unit, which allows you to screen in either direction, which essentially increases your production time, meaning you're going to be able to screen more material in a shorter period of time. One of the other great things about this basket is there's multiple options you can put in there. So not every basket is designed for every job. So sometimes you're going to want something that has a little finer holes or something a little bigger. So we have two options right now. One is 1.2 inches, so a little larger holes allowing for bigger debris, and one is 0.8 inches. So depending on your job, we have multiple solutions for you. It's very easy to go ahead and change those buckets out as well. You simply have some bolts right inside here. So you're simply going to loosen those bolts up, make sure the attachment is sitting flat on the ground. Once you've loosened all the bolts, the easiest way is actually just to leave the attachment on the ground. Go ahead and lift your attachment up above it with your skid steer, leaving the bucket behind. When that's lifted away, you can simply remove the bucket from underneath, roll the new kind of bucket basket into place, lower your attachment back down over it, rebolt it in place, and away you go. We usually recommend 2 people do this job just for safety, but it's generally not too heavy to get in and out of there if you need to. It's just a little easier with 2 people. So now that we've gone over all the specs and features of the VTN Rotating Screening Bucket, I'd be really curious to see what you think in the comments below, and also if you think this attachment would work well for you and your job site. As always, guys, you can always find the VTN Screening Bucket as well as lots more information on this attachment at skidsteersolutions.com. You also can always give us a call or shoot us an email if you need any other information or a quote on this attachment. Again, guys, thanks for checking out the video. If you would like any other information on this product or other products, go ahead and check out skidsteersolutions.com or shoot us a call or an email for a quote or any other information you may need. And as always, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We'll see you next time.